Abducting God's tattoos.
Welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to it. So today, doing something a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to make an origami butterfly. It may seem a little bit strange, but I'm actually going to use these on an upcoming project, so keep an eye out for that. Right, so enough talking, let's swap to the top view camera and let's get to it. So here we are with the top view camera. The first thing you need is a sheet of square paper. If you don't have any square paper, just do what I did and cut down a piece of A4. Okay, so for the first fold, you need to fold it corner to corner. Get a nice crease going down the middle, like so. Then going from the other corner to corner, once again creasing it down the middle. Right, so now that we've got it that way with the folds going inwards, flip the piece of paper over, then fold it in half, getting a crease going down the middle there. Then fold it in half on the other side, like so. So now we've got the folds going down the middle on that side and going across the middle there on the other side. Now for the next step, take it with the folds going down the middle on the inside, push them in like so. Then you'll get a triangle shape. Now once you got that, just fold that down flat. So as you see there, you got them corners going in, so this can fold down flat. Now what you need to do is get one of these corners and leave the back bit down, fold that corner up into the middle, like so, and do the same thing on the corner the other side. Now this isn't exactly perfect because my piece of paper wasn't very square. So now that we've got that, we take that bit there, the end here, leave them flaps going up like so, then bend round this piece here without folding it flat. So pull that right round over the top, and so that a little bit goes over the edge here. Then what you do is you fold that little corner that's hanging over the edge over. Then as you can see, we're almost there. So now what we've got to do is fold that bit back like so. Then pinching it there, we can push the wings out a little bit. And there we go, we've got our butterfly. Now to make it look a little bit nicer, you can roll these corners out a little bit, just to give it a little bit more depth. It's a bit hard to do with the kind of paper I'm currently using. This is quite thick brown paper, but you more or less get the idea. So now that's like that, you can see we've got our butterfly shape. And if you really wanted to, you could take a pair of scissors and trim around these corners to make them a bit more rounded, to give it a little bit more shape. But yeah, so the back end will look like that, but we're not going to be seeing that because the main butterfly shape will be on the top side here. Yeah, there we go, that's how to make an origami butterfly. So there we go, that's how to make an origami butterfly. Hopefully that wasn't too complicated and you was able to follow along and make your own butterflies. So like I said, I'm going to be using these in an upcoming project, so keep your eyes out for that. But that's all for now.